Alright, Gearheads, Chuck Fasst coming back at you. It's the third day, Thursday, of the SEMA show.
Hey, welcome to Gearheads World. You're watching SEMA 2015 right here. Check it out.
So all you guys know who Tech is, right? The Tech booth. Pretty popular over here at the SEMA show today. Alright, here we go now. Does anybody know what this one is? It's a project. My guess is you're seeing it here first. I don't know what, maybe these guys know what year. What year is it?
I think it's a 72. 72?
72, huh? What's the deal, this project car?
Yeah, project car is on chop cut rebuild and we just came in and wrapped it.
Oh, you guys just wrapped it. This is a chop cut rebuild car. There's Dan right over there.
We started it about 2 hours and 45 minutes ago.
Oh yeah, so this is what color was it? This color when it started?
It was kind of like a black paint, but it was all bondoed and primered up.
Now what's wrapped? Is this part?
Everything's wrapped.
This here is wrapped.
This is wrapped red.
Wow. Okay, wrapped from top to bottom.
Yes, sir.
God, look at the wheels too. Man, okay. Wow, this car. There's quite a bit going on here. We're going to take a look in here, guys. Okay, this is the chop cut rebuild car. Now remember, guys, if you like this stuff, you got to share it. Share it on Facebook. You can subscribe on YouTube if you'd like, or go over to Gearheads World and find all these vids and pics over there. Check out that wheel. Can you see that? Pretty rad ride. Would you call it badass? I think we could call this one badass. Alright, chop cut rebuild. Give you a little shout out. Alright guys, we got a vamoose. They're setting up to get coverage on this bad boy.